Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Diana binti Khalid and I will be presenting regarding our company's profile and introduction. The introduction. Life Master of Work Construction Sudiran Berhad or LMWC has been active in the construction market since the late 2020s. LMWC is based at Batu Pahat, Johor. This company is led by a dedicated management team and our employees are comprised of qualified civil and structural engineers. With extensive experience in building and civil engineering works, we have about more than 30 good workaholic manpower. LMWC Sudiran Berhad has successfully completed several small and big projects ranging from terrace house, multi-purpose hall, shop houses, and medium-rise building. The latest project accomplished was a bungalow housing located at Labis Segamat on August 2021. Here is our organization chart. Our director, Muhammad Daniel Fakri, our general manager, Nurul Izzah, our HR manager, Dayang Nurul Shakila, our contract manager, Nur Atira, the project manager, which is myself, Nurul Diana, and under me there is contract department, safety department, site manager and supervisor. Under contract department, there is project site operations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dayang Nur Shakila binti Zulkifli and I will be presenting about the drawing. So the first drawing is the floor plan. So the floor plan, we have 3 floors, the ground floor, the first floor, and the roof floor. So the building itself comes with the width of 6.096 meters. The length of the building is 18.407 meters, and the height of the building from the upper foundation to the roof is 7.5 meters. So this is the column details for each column. Next is the foundation. This is the foundation. The foundation that is used in this building is 5 foundation. This is the details for each foundation. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. So I'm going to present to you our taking off. Okay, terms of taking off refers to the process of identifying elements of construction works that can be measured and priced. This is necessary to produce bills of quantities and requires that the design is complete and a specification has been prepared. Okay, there are 3 elements that are important in doing taking off. First, piling, which more specific to preform concrete piles. Second, work below lowest floor finish or WBLF, that more specific into excavation work, concrete works to pad footing, concrete work to ground beam. And the last one is roofing, that more specifically to roof and trusses. Okay, this is our foundation plan that we refer to do the taking off. There are about 17 columns, and these are the type of our pad footings or foundation details. Okay, this is column reinforcement schedule that we refer and do the taking off by looking at their dimensions. Okay, and this the last one, our ground beam, so we can do the concrete works to ground beam, refer to this. And the last one, these are our example of taking off. Okay, as you can see, there are 3 examples. We screenshot from our taking offs.
Is Atira binti Muhammad Rusli, metric number CF 2095. Today I am going to present on BQ and build-up rate for our project. I start with bill of quantity. So there are 3 main elements that have to be calculated, which is piling, work below lower floor finish, and roof. For piling, we have to determine the driven depth of pipe extension and load test on the pipe. While on work below floor finish, we have to calculate for excavation work, pad footing, reinforcement, and so on, followed by the roof. Next is for build-up rate. The cost of cement is 80 ringgit Malaysia per bag, and the cost for sand and aggregate is 45 and 37 ringgit per meter cube respectively. As you can see, here is the example of the calculation. So from the calculation, we got the total price for concrete grade 30 is RM365.90. I think that's all from me. I will pass to my next group member. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzah binti Imanje. I will present about the performance bond. So the performance bonds is 5% from the contract sum. So from above, we can see that the 5% from the contract sum is RM 6,494 ringgit and 27 cents. And for the LED from the CIMB bank, the BLR rate is 5.85% times the contract sum and divided by the 365 day, because we want the LAD per day. So the total is RM 20 ringgit and 82 cents. So that's all from me. Thank you.